morning, we're going to talk about the Goldbachs conjuncture. It's the idea that every even number after 2 can be the sum of 2 prime numbers. And people have been trying to solve this for decades. The problem is they can't prove it because every prime number afterward has been proven so far up to like 4 quintillion something. All I know is that that's 4 with some 18 zeros. I may be inadequate in math, but I'm not inadequate in theory. But here's my reasoning behind this solution. If you have an ever-progressive equation, you cannot find an answer, not a linear answer. Because the question is an infinite scale, an eternally progressing question, the equation itself must contain infinity. Then you would debate whether or not the question were actually infinite, because the equation is relative to the lifespan of humanity in general. The answer is the final answer that humanity will come up with before we're no longer a species, no longer a conscious species that can solve this. It's essentially asking for every even number after 2. Numbers do not stop. Numbers cannot stop. Even if the universe were to recursively return back to itself, numbers do not stop. So the definitive answer is yes, you can solve for every even number after 2 with the sum of 2 prime numbers. And here's the why. The answer is both yes and no. One would have to accept the indefinite end of a species if we ever end. Unless you know of a way to calculate equations in a different realm past this lifetime, and unless other species around the universe are calculating the same thing, Goldbachs conjuncture has a definitive answer in both directions. A problem that is infinitely scaled to that degree is proof that it spans in both directions.